We are currently growing green bell peppers, green beans, collard greens, and carrots. Carrots have yet to be harvested, but the other three that I listed, they've been harvested and they're tasting pretty good and they're looking pretty good. It's been a fun learning experience, I would say. This is my first ever time working on a research project in my life. So working with different things such as like soil fluctuation, measuring carbon fluctuation, soil moisture, water dilution.
The experiment that we have here is just adding different types of compost and different levels of compost, and actually trying to target the compost applications to what the plants actually need, and then measure how effectively we're recycling and how can we minimize the loss of phosphorus. And so it turns out you can do pretty well if you're intentional about it. It feels sustainable, putting all this fresh compost on your garden every year, but it can become a hot spot of phosphorus pollution and ultimately lead to degraded water quality. So we're trying to understand, what are the best management practices.
Around campus we have compost bins, and everything that students are putting into those bins comes back here. We have one of our treatments is a compost soil, or fertilizer I should say. And from there, they're used to grow our veggies, and then from our veggies are then donated to the View, which our students are eating, and then those veggies are being right back composted and right back here. So it's kind of a cycle of sustainability. It's
an opportunity for a lot of students to get involved. I've got 5 or 6 students out here this morning that are collecting data for us. It's a different kind of experience to actually be out here and be part of it, and they understand, because they're out here collecting the data, they understand, what we're doing and what we're measuring.
It feels good, honestly, because this project it's a part of something bigger. It feels good to know that me and my peers, we're working towards something bigger.